Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mermaid Bidisha. I'm going to quickly share with you all my current favorites from Costco for the month of April. It's gonna be all about food. I also liked some of the outfits, especially the departure pants and some leggings that I got from Costco. I don't know why I'm wearing these glasses, sorry. So as I was saying, I also liked some pants and t-shirts I got from Costco, but today it's not the day where I'm going to talk about outfits. So this is my favorite number one. I love drinking coffee, and this creamer from Starbucks in bigger size. This is 58 ounce and this is in the flavor caramel macchiato. I love it, and I love to drink this every morning with my cup of coffee. I mix maybe 1 tablespoon of it, and that's it. And this is a big size, you can see. Go get this one. The other one that I have is again milk, but this is lactose free milk. I love this Kirkland organic lactose free reduced fat milk, which has 42% less fat than regular milk. So this is how it looks like, and this comes in a pack of 3. I make tea with these. I really love these and I highly recommend these. Then I love this zucchini and yellow squash. I make a lot of vegetables. These days I'm more into veg diet. I make Indian preparations or even grill them. Tonight I'm gonna grill them. And I love making different kind of preparations with these. Get them at Costco. The Tortilla Crusted Tilapia. It consists of white and flaky fillets encrusted with corn, tortilla chips, chipotle, pepper and garlic. So this is how it looks like. I bake it in convection oven. You can have these with tacos, but I love them on its own. So yeah, I highly recommend these. And lastly, my favorite item for this month of April from Costco is spinach egg white frittatas. I love it. I just love it. I love having these with tea, coffee. Let me show you how it looks like. Put this in the microwave and that's it. Just 1 minute and you're good to go. I highly recommend these. I have been eating them so much and I'm still not bored of it. So I highly recommend these. If you want to see more of such videos where I talk about my Costco favorites or Target favorites or Meijer favorites or Walmart favorites, just leave in the comment section below what all you want to see and I'll be happy to make such videos for you all. Thanks for watching, everyone. I meant to say bye.